So traffic lights over here, we're gonna make a left turn.
Sorry.
It's all good.
And when I come out of here, I want to make sure, yeah, okay.
Yeah, you come right into this lane right over here. Well, yes, when you come out of that driveway, just like they did, you come over right into this lane so that you're not crossing over the solid white line here. So you're leaving a nice space here. So leaving this space here is technically to have enough room to move out of the way to avoid a rear end collision.
Yeah.
I'm watching the rear view mirror and I see someone pulling up behind us now. Now you can close that gap. You're in no longer are you in any danger of getting rear-ended. And this is a good amount of space again. Excellent. At these traffic lights, we're going to make a right turn. And then a left turn down this next street. And then we're going to pull it over safely to the right side of the road. From here, we're going to do a three-point turn.